delving into delicacies, British scones, cream, and jam. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going on a delicious journey into the heart of traditional British cuisine. Scones with clotted cream and jam. Just hearing the name can make one's mouth water. But what are they? Why are they such an integral part of British tea time? Let's find out. Scones are baked goods, similar to what many might call a biscuit in the USA. They are often lightly sweetened and can come in various flavors, from plain to currant to cranberry and beyond. Traditionally, they're made with simple ingredients: flour, butter, baking powder, and milk. Now, let's talk about clotted cream. It's a thick, rich, and creamy dairy product with a consistency similar to soft butter. It's made by heating unpasteurized cow's milk and then allowing it to cool slowly. As it cools, the cream rises to the surface and forms delicious clots or clouts. While there are many jams to choose from, the classic choice for scones in Britain is often strawberry jam. It adds a sweet and fruity layer to the scone, perfectly complementing the richness of the clotted cream. When we say jam, we're talking about a spread made from crushed fruit, sugar, and sometimes pectin, which gives it a thick consistency. When having scones with clotted cream and jam, there's a bit of a debate. Which goes first, the cream or the jam? In Cornwall, they spread the jam first and then add a dollop of clotted cream on top. In Devon, it's the opposite: cream first, then jam. Regardless of the order, one thing's for sure: it's a delightful combination that has stood the test of time in British culture. The act of enjoying scones with clotted cream and jam, especially during the afternoon, is deeply rooted in British culture. It's not just about the food but the experience of afternoon tea. It's a tradition that speaks volumes about the British way of life, their love for simple pleasures, and the importance of taking time out of one's day to relax and enjoy. And there we have it, a journey into the delectable world of scones with clotted cream and jam. We hope you've not only learned about this delicious British treat but also appreciated the deep cultural significance behind it. So, the next time you bite into a scone, remember, it's more than just food, it's a piece of British heritage. Happy learning, and even happier eating.